ever pondered the profound impact of your dietary choices on your health? The concept of "you are what you eat" rings true, as nutrition plays a pivotal role in our overall well-being. Today, we're going to delve into the world of clean eating, a dietary philosophy that's been making waves for its potential to significantly enhance health and vitality. Clean eating is much more than a fleeting trend. It's a holistic approach to nutrition that emphasizes the consumption of foods in their most natural state. It's about minimizing or eliminating processed, refined, and artificial ingredients and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods. This approach fosters a healthier lifestyle and boosts overall well-being. Embarking on the clean eating journey entails bidding adieu to highly processed foods. These products often come laden with unhealthy additives like artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. Instead, the spotlight is on fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These whole foods are powerhouses of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, promoting optimal body functions. Clean eating champions the incorporation of fresh, locally sourced produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are not only bursting with flavor, but they also retain more nutritional value. Supporting local farmers and markets is a win-win situation, benefiting both the environment and the community. When it comes to grains, the clean eating approach favors whole grains over their refined counterparts. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are teeming with fiber, aiding digestion and maintaining a steady blood sugar level. They're also packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Proteins play a crucial role in muscle repair, immune function, and overall well-being. Clean sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. It's advisable to opt for organic and sustainably sourced options where possible to avoid harmful chemicals and support ethical food practices. Now, don't be quick to shun all fats. Clean eating encourages the consumption of healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats play a vital role in brain health, hormone production, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. So, what can clean eating do for you? Well, adopting this lifestyle can aid in effective weight management. Whole foods are naturally lower in calories and rich in nutrients, helping you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Plus, they're more satiating, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Clean eating can also give your energy levels a significant boost. Nutrient-dense foods provide a steady release of energy throughout the day, keeping those energy spikes and crashes at bay. And let's not forget the benefits for your digestive system. Fiber-rich foods, a staple of clean eating, promote healthy digestion, preventing constipation, and supporting a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for overall well-being. Finally, a diet rich in whole foods can bolster your immune system, making you less prone to illness. Essential nutrients for immune health, like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc, are abundant in clean foods. Clearer skin. Clean eating can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. The reduction of processed foods and the inclusion of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables can help combat inflammation and promote a healthy complexion. Better mental health research suggests that there is a strong connection between diet and mental health. A clean eating plan can reduce the risk of mood disorders and improve cognitive function. Long-term health benefits. Clean eating is not just a short-term solution, it's a lifestyle that can protect your long-term health. It can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Practical tips for clean eating plan. Your meals. Planning your meals and snacks in advance can help you make better food choices and reduce the temptation to reach for processed, unhealthy options. Read labels. When purchasing packaged foods, scrutinize the ingredient list. Avoid products with long lists of unpronounceable ingredients and opt for those with fewer, more natural components. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is an integral part of clean eating. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and minimize sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid eating out of habit or boredom, and focus on mindful eating. Avoid extreme restriction. Clean eating is about balance, not deprivation. Treat yourself occasionally, but be mindful of portion sizes and frequency. Clean eating is more than a diet. It's a lifestyle that promotes health, well-being, and longevity. By prioritizing whole natural foods and avoiding processed and artificial ingredients, you can experience a transformative improvement in your overall health. Whether you're seeking weight management, increased energy, or better mental health, clean eating can help you achieve your goals. Embrace this approach to nourishing your body, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. In conclusion, clean eating is a journey towards better health and well-being. It's a commitment to nourishing your body with what it truly deserves: real, whole, and nutritious foods. So why not give it a try? Experience the transformative power of clean eating for yourself. You might just find that it's the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and while you are at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.